So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to buy Tezos here on Robinhood. So once Robinhood's opened up, go to the bottom, press on the magnifying glass in the middle. Then at the top where it says search by name or symbol, go ahead and type in Tezos or ticker symbol XTZ and then press it right here. Once it is pressed at the bottom where it says buy, the green button, select that. Then you can type in how much Tezos crypto you want to purchase. So if you wanted to buy $3 worth, you type in 3 as an example, and then just press review. Once that is done, you can review the transaction so you can see how much of XTZ or Tezos crypto you're purchasing, the fees, the total cost. And if this looks good to you and you want to confirm it, go to the bottom, swipe up to submit the order. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to buy Tezos crypto here on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.